another new arrival, really special, 1970 Ford Mustang Fastback 351 V8 Mach 1. Now this has been fully restored to the cost of over $75,000 back in 2008. You've got full documentation of the restoration and all invoices come with it as well. Now, provenance and history with Mustangs is always an added bonus in any American classic in the UK, because a lot of the cars come over with basically nothing. We judge cars on condition, how they drive, and obviously how they sell, because we're very, very picky. So this is an added bonus. As I mentioned before, fully restored in Ford red with black vinyl Mach 1 bucket seats. The 69 to 70 is one of the hottest Mustangs in the world right now. I think they look like a true muscle car. They sit side on, front, to the rear, wherever you want to look at it, they just look fantastic. This one was actually opted without a rear louver, however we put it on for show. So if you want that, we will add that free of charge to the Mustang. It is also, when it was first imported, sent to specialist build shopping, so all the little tinkering here and there, and the odd little job was finished by renowned specialist build shopping. So that's an added bonus as well. Been through our workshops, we have now done over 100 miles in it, thoroughly enjoyed it, and it's now ready for its new owner. But more importantly, this is by far the best 70 Fastback Mach 1 available in the UK, and even better, the best price. It's $49,750, and I'll harp on it about it again and again and again, but trying to restore a car to this condition for the price will be impossible. So anyway, if it's of interest, get in touch with me, Sam at retroclassiccar.com, and all the usual links are below. Over 80 pictures, detailed walk around, and a point of view drive video that says detailed engine bay. Same with the boot. I don't want to over egg the car, but it is just such a super example. And I mean, all you have to do is look at it from the side on or from any angle. It looks fantastic. Anyway, thanks for watching, and get in touch if it's of interest.